Terminating coaxial cable with F-type screw-on connectors. To terminate the cable, or to put ends on the cable, you'll need the following items: the cable, the coaxial stripping tool, and 2 F-type screw-on connectors. The coaxial stripping tool can be opened by pinching the back of the tool. Notice the tool has 2 blades, one with a notch to cut around the center conductor, and the back blade cuts the jacket. Note how the cable is inserted into the tool, all the way to the guide on the right side of the tool. Note the end of the cable is flush with the guide. This ensures a correct strip. To strip the cable, place the cable into the stripping tool, flush with the guide, and rotate the tool around the cable 4 or 5 times. Remove the cable from the tool, expose the center conductor, take off the outer jacket to expose the braid. The cable should look like this. No braid should be touching the center conductor. Place the F-type connector over the cable as shown and screw it on. A correctly terminated cable should look like this.